Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna be making a video today of our new pizza cooker. Actually, it's one that I bought in the States on Amazon. I think it's a Presto. And I ordered it on Amazon when I was back in Minnesota, had it delivered, and then I put it in a Balac Beyond box and shipped it over here. This is back in what, 2020, early 2020. And then finally, just now, we're getting it set up because we had to buy a separate tank, propane tank for it. That ran about 2,800 pesos, and then we put a new regulator on it because the stateside regulator that we had on that the pizza maker came with was not suitable for the tank. So, anyways, a new tank and a new regulator cost, oh heck, it was 2,800 for the tank filled, and then just then around 600 for the new regulator. So here, let me show you. Oh, there's the smoker, all covered up. We're getting ready to use that again here real soon. Smoke up some. Probably do chicken next. We did chicken first, and then we did ribs, and we'll probably hit chicken again here soon. But anyways, here it is. Here's the well, here's the new tank. The tank was 2,800, so propane has went up a couple hundred pesos from when we bought our first tank. It was like 26, so a little bit more now. They're 28. And there's the new regulator that we had to put on the pizza cooker tube here, the gas hose here. And then we got a nice regulator with the gauge on it so we can see how far our tank is coming along in terms of, you know, how full it is, how empty it is, whatnot. So anyways, new tank. And then here's the pizza cooker. It is a, what is it? Oh, I said Presto. Pizzeria Pronto outdoor pizza oven. So yeah, that's an Amazon purchase right there. And we're gonna go ahead and get started making some pizza for dinner here in a few hours. And we'll catch up with you then. Alright. Alright, we're back with the Pizzeria Pronto backyard pizza excitement. So we're getting ready to do the dough. Again, this is our first time. We're experimenting, kind of like what we did with the smoker the other day. We've used that twice so far. The first time to do the chicken quarter legs, and then the that big, huge prime rib thing we did, which we did not do a video of that, did we?
No.
No, we just did the chicken. But that we did the prime rib, like spare ribs, just a few days after the chicken, and oh man, it turned out great. So anyways, we're switching gears. We've had this pizza oven sitting covered up for the last two and a half years when I brought from the States here, and then like I said, we just bought this brand new tank of gas, so, and it's specifically for the oven. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do up the dough.
I'll just wait for the yeast to rise.
Okay, and then we're gonna make our crust.
Just 5 minutes.
Yep. And then we're just keeping it simple today. We're gonna go ahead and just, well, there's a pizza sauce. So I did manage to find some pizza sauce on Lazada. I think it was Lazada. I don't think we found it here, did we?
Lazada.
We bought the pepperoni. No.
CSI.
CSI. We found that at CSI.
Yeah, and then this one is Save More.
And then we got the mozzarella cheese at Save More. And then, of course, canned mushrooms, because you can't really find any good fresh mushrooms here. At least I haven't been able to. So, again, simple. We're just doing pepperoni, cheese pepperoni, and mushrooms. We didn't buy any green pepper this time around. This first experimental use of the oven, we're just going to try to keep it simple. So, alright, we'll come back. Okay, we're working the dough right now, trying to get this ready to form our pizza crust. Alright.
And then let's wait.
Okay, so what'd you do? You just put a little bit of olive oil in there, huh?
To make it rise.
Make it rise?
Well,
right
if
on.
you don't have oil, you can just use any canola oil or olive oil for that.
What was in the pizza, or the dough again? Just flour, yeast,
and sugar.
Flour, yeast, and sugar.
Yeah,
right
and
on.
then a pinch of salt.
and a pinch of salt. So we're getting ready to, well, we're just going to wait for that to rise, and then we're going to go ahead
and garnish the dough.
Get it ready to rock and roll. Should we fire this up yet?
Not yet.
Takes 10 minutes to preheat.
I know. 10 minutes is
all right. All right. Sounds good. Right on.
This is a quick.
Sounds good. Got the kubo all lit up. We're going to eat out here tonight. Dogs are resting. Chilling out. I'm over there on the laptop in between video clips here, and we'll be right back. Alright, got the oven preheating, got that bad boy ready at about 500, and getting a little bit of a steam and reflection on the lens there, and no, this should be good. We're gonna start cooking probably when it hits to the 700 mark. And then, alright, there's the pizza dough. Pizza crust. Do we got enough for two, hon?
Yes.
Excellent. And then we just got to knead up, we got to bunch up the sides, or the edges rather.
He's scared I don't have enough dough for two.
I know, I'm sweating. Like, we got to make at least two of these bad boys.
First time.
First time, baby.
But I made a pizza before.
Yeah.
My business.
Nice. You did, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of pizza?
Any different the flavor. Not
Shrimp?
only one flavor.
Shrimp pizza? Prawn pizza? Balut?
Balut. Adobo.
Adobo?
No. Pepperoni.
Can you imagine that?
Bacon.
Oh, that sounds good. Yeah. Imagine balut pizza.
We will try, but you have to eat.
Hell no, I ain't touching that. Yeah, a little bit of this goes a long ways, I think. The pizza sauce. That's probably it right there, hon. Not much. Yep, that's it. Yeah, we got a lot of pizza sauce. We just don't have enough flour to make like 4 pizzas.
We cannot eat the whole 4 pizza.
No, we'll make 2. Maybe
2 and then
buy some more flour and make a couple more tomorrow, or Sunday or something.
We will have a pizza party. Rock
on. Yeah, this is I guess good enough just for our first time, right?
Yes.
Nope. Yep. Mushroom, pepperoni, and then mushrooms.
I have an instructor here.
Yeah, coach.
My coach.
Yeah, buddy. I hope this pepperoni's okay. Anyways. Okay, we're about ready to go. We got the pizza all done up with some pepperoni and mushrooms and cheese. So I'm gonna do the honors. I'm gonna slide her in there, I guess. Here you go, you wanna hold that? And then hopefully, does this slide easy? Oh man, this is warm, hon. You got enough flour on this thing?
I did.
I don't know, man.
Let me do.
I don't know. That thing is really... That thing's supposed to be...
Very easy.
Oh, man. Oh, boy. You got it? Aye. Holy shit, she doesn't want to come. Motherfucker, man.
I have to wait.
Hold on a second. Oh, man. Let me turn this light on here. Yeah, who knew getting that pizza to come off our pizza peel there would have been such a headache. So, again, first time, man. We're still learning. And we're going through some growing pains right now. So we might have to experiment with some different pizza peels. Maybe get an aluminum next. I thought the wood one would be the coolest one to have.
Too small, too short.
Well, yeah. Yeah, I thought this would be the best one. At least the classiest, but I guess classiest and it doesn't necessarily equal practical. So we're gonna get an aluminum peel and see if that works better, because I had to get, yeah, we both had to really work to get this pizza to come off that peel, even with a bunch of flour on there to make it slide. So it's cooking. Now everything I saw on the YouTube, these pizza ovens work really fast. So we're talking maybe a matter of like 5 minutes or so, and it should be done. hopefully. So we'll come back and show you what we got after this is finished. All right, hold on. All right, well, there's the first one. Burnt it a little bit in the back of the oven, but we're still getting used to it. I think the second one will turn out a little bit better, but it's piping hot, man. It's looking pretty good. Tell there's a lot of sauce on there, that's for sure. But that's it. We're going to try the second one here in a little while, and we'll show you how that one comes along. Yeah, hopefully a little bit better than this one, but this one's looking okay so far. So we're going to dig in and eat. See you in a few. All right. Well, we just finished up with the pizza. We decided not to do the second one. It's just too dark out here, and and we're just learning, and we decided we'll just go ahead and put that second one in probably tomorrow and keep practicing the art of making pizza. I would say after everything all done, said, and over with, I would say I would probably give it 2.5 stars out of 5. And a lot of that is just because we don't have the experience yet. We don't know that we're not used to the temperament of the oven, because it cooks fast. I mean, that sucker's hot. So I still got, she's over there motioning. You got something on your face. So we kind of burnt the outer edge on the back of the pizza, and the front edge was kind of okay. So it was kind of like one half of the pizza had chewy crust, which is good, and the other one was more crunchy. So we gotta fix that. We gotta figure out what we're doing wrong on that. Another thing is that we didn't use enough flour on the peel to get that pizza to roll off nice and smoothly to inside the oven. To, you know, from the peel to go inside the oven. It was kind of a pain in the ass. We almost ruined it, but we managed to finally get it off. We actually put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes to get it cold, and then we slid it off. Another downfall that we have, and it's just kind of one of those things we don't have much control over, is the ingredients. The pepperoni that we picked up out here in town was just crap. I mean, it's not like the pepperoni you see in most other parts of the world. So we got to work on trying to find some better ingredients somehow, some way. If we can't find the pepperoni, and we can't find Italian sausage, which of course is pretty much impossible around here.
Yeah, we need to go to Robinson.
We might have to travel a distance to get the stuff. Yeah. Bring a cooler with us and whatever. But if we don't end up finding the right ingredients, we might just be resorting to like bacon and like Hawaiian style pizzas with pineapple and ham, whatever. That's easy. You can find that all over. You can find the ham and the pineapple, no problem. Yep. But you know, we'll keep looking. And then we'll, you know, again, this was just all experimental. We just wanted to test out the new pizza oven, and hopefully we get our perfect pizza here sooner than, or, you know, rather soon. We'll just keep working at it. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and call her quits and enjoy the rest of the evening. What do you think, hon?
I'm not really happy for that pepperoni thing.
Yeah.
When you bring it in front of me, I said this is not right.
The pepperoni itself? Yeah, it sucked. That wasn't good. It reminded me of Spam. You know.
And then the pizza peel and the dough stick together, so we need to make something.
Yeah.
Quick.
Yeah. Or yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna
moist immediately because the weather is warm.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. As soon as we rolled that dough out there and formed that pizza crust, once we got all the sauce and all the ingredients put on there, that sucker was almost like I don't know. It was really warm and really soft. Got really warm and soft quick. Like I said, unless we refrigerate it or something, I don't know.
And then we start late, so our backyard out here is a bit dark already. So
yeah, exactly. Alrighty, well, that's about it. We tried. We'll try it again though. Huh?
That's an experiment.
Yeah. Yeah. It was fun. I enjoyed it. And it wasn't bad. I mean, I got full off it. It was pretty good. I didn't mind it. Anyways, enough for that. We're going to sign off. So thanks for joining us in our little pizza journey. We'll continue it again. Probably tomorrow we might do it, or maybe Sunday. We'll see. But one way or another, we're gonna make this thing work. And we're gonna get that perfect pizza hopefully sometime soon. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Thanks again, and stay healthy, stay happy. What else? That's it.
Yeah, stay safe.
Stay safe. Right on. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.